Hi there. Welcome to Market Call today here on BNN Bloomberg. I'm Paul Bagnall. Brian Madden is our host today. He, of course, is Chief Investment Officer at First Avenue Investment Counsel. He'll take your questions on North American equities. So pick up your phone and give us a call. Our number is 1-855-326-6266. You can also send us an email to marketcall@bnnbloomberg.ca. We'll get to your questions in the second segment of the show. In the meantime, we'll welcome Brian back to Market Call. Our viewers are always keen to ask you questions. So, Brian, thanks for coming by.
Good to be here.
We'll get Brian's take on the markets, as we always do. And I think, like a lot of people, you're constructive on the political setup in the United States, but you're also, one of the reasons you're bullish on markets is you think a change in government here in Canada could be market positive as well.
Well, yeah, Paul, it's an interesting time to be an investor in North America with regime change on both sides of the border in all likelihood. Certainly we'll see that formalized on Monday with U.S. markets closed, but presidential inauguration. And then, of course, we're fully expecting we know there will be an election in 2025 here in Canada. But the expectation increasingly is that will occur sooner rather than later. And just got more interesting with the two front runners to lead the Liberal Party now having thrown their hats into the ring as of just this morning, Chrystia Freeland having announced. So the election, by all accounts, the polls favor a change in government. And really, Paul, the only plausible change in direction policy-wise is in the direction of more pro-growth, more productivity, more favorable to investment and innovation. And that could and should, in fact, prompt a re-rating in Canadian equities, which are very discounted versus their U.S. counterparts.
However, we're facing that threat of tariffs from the U.S., which could be launched as early as Monday, we understand. What would that mean to the Canadian equity market?
Yeah, that's right. We're expecting the president-elect's pen will be quite busy signing executive orders on Monday or shortly thereafter, as they always are. And of course, this particular president-elect rather proudly touts himself as the tariff man. So it would be implausible that he would have made all this noise about tariffs without actually doing something. So you're right. This is a real and legitimate threat to Canadian businesses, to the Canadian economy, and of course, more broadly, to Canadian sovereignty with some of these assertions of subsuming Canada by use of economic force. So our leaders, would do well to take this seriously and work night and day to mitigate any economic harm that could be done by the enactment of tariffs on both sides. So, our view is that a trade and tariff war is really in no one's best interest. It's sort of a mutually assured destruction, and both of our countries have centuries, in fact, of history of being friends, allies, soldiers in arms, and one another's largest trading partners. So there's really just too much at stake to let this brinksmanship actually take hold and not get rolled back. So we're concerned, but confident over the medium term that there will be a win-win solution to be had here at the table.
That's Brian Madden and his opening thoughts. We will pause, but when we come back, it will be time for your questions to Brian Madden on North American equities. The number to reach us at, again, 1-855-326-6266. The email address, marketcall@bnnbloomberg.ca.